Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your Virgin Voyages experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful Scarlet Lady. We're going to tour a gorgeous suite. This is the entry level to the MEGA ROCKSTAR suite. I'll talk to you about that in just a second, but make sure when you're ready to book your next Virgin Voyage, you do it right on HarrTravel.com. You can take advantage of our interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, or your group, and get it at an incredible value with the Harr Travel Signature Service every step of the way. Now, if you book this suite, you're going to be treated like a MEGA ROCKSTAR. That service is going to start even before you arrive. You're going to have priority reservations so you can pick exactly what you want to do here on board. You're also going to have a RockStar agent who can take care of all the details from start to finish for you. You're going to have access to Richard's rooftop, which is an exclusive suite-only area. They're going to do events and parties, or you can just go up there and hang out, in addition to a ton of other amenities we'll talk as we tour. Now, as soon as you walk in the door, right here to my left, you're going to have a vanity area. You've got a floor-to-ceiling mirror. You're going to have plugs. There's a ton of plugs in here. I really appreciate that. You also have this drawer with a soft touch, so you've got your hair dryer in there. Once again, that perfect vanity space to sit and get ready. Now to my right, you're going to find the storage. So you've got hanging storage all the way up here. You're going to have a safe down below, big enough for a laptop and your personal belongings. And then you've got some drawers to put things away. Next up is the bathroom space. It's absolutely beautiful. You've got floor to ceiling Carrara marble in here. You've got storage underneath, a really nice large vanity, upgraded bath amenities, and then of course you're going to have your robe and slippers like every RockStar needs. You've got the water closet tucked around the corner, and I love that they've got the door for privacy. And then just through here is the shower space. Now I'm 6'6", I'm a big guy. There is a ton of space in the shower here. You've got a large rainforest shower head up above, the shower wand, and a nice bench seat. Now there is a peekaboo through to the bedroom, but keep in mind if you'd like housekeeping to close that off, they can definitely do that for you. Now, as we head through the space, I wanted to point out some of the Virgin Voyages lingo. You are a sailor here on board. I love that they've done that. There's so many different whimsical things that they've really tried to set themselves apart, and I think they've done a great job with it. You can see that on our full ship tour if you'd like to check that out. Now, because you are in a MEGA ROCKSTAR suite, you're going to have your mini bar set up before you arrive. That'll be stocked with bottles of your preference. You've got a mini fridge underneath that'll be fully stocked as well, and then you can have it replenished throughout your stay. Now, in every one of the RockStar suites, you're going to have one of these record players. They've got a collection of vinyl for you to choose from, or you can head down to the store and purchase some vinyl records. Now, Sir Richard Branson talks about the fact that he got his start with Virgin Record Store with vinyl. In fact, they have a special edition of the Sex Pistols album that, well, put them on the map. Now, they also have a Bose sound speaker there, so you can take advantage of that Bluetooth or use it for the record player. Now, as we head further into the space, you're going to see you have a really nice couch and chaise lounge here. If you have more than 2 sailors in the room, you can utilize this as a bed as well. You got a nice large table here to take advantage of that 24-hour room service. Now over here you can really see that nautical mega yacht style theme that they've gone with the collective led by Tom Dixon, the designer. He's done an amazing job. You're gonna have US plugs on either side of the bed, also USB chargers. And then I wanted to point out this tablet. So it's gonna control the lighting in the room. You can set the mood lighting as you would like. In addition, it's gonna control other features in the room and the television. You have a large collection that you can choose to stream from, and you can stream from there right onto the large flat panel TV. It's fully interactive. You can see what's going on throughout the ship, in addition to watching television. Tucked in the corner, you've got a nice little reading chair as well. Now, another one of the Virgin Voyages-isms that I'm going to point out is your sea terrace. So this is not a balcony, this is a sea terrace here on Virgin. You've got 2 nice loungers. You also have this fantastic hammock. I love that they have those on every single room and suite here. They've become a huge hit because who doesn't love to swing the night away, check out the incredible views, get that beautiful fresh air, and just relax in your own private space. Now keep in mind with the MEGA ROCKSTAR experience, you're gonna have a private arrival transfer as soon as you get here on board. Every one of your needs is gonna be catered to. You'll have access to the full ship, and because it's so inclusive already with the Wi-Fi and all the dining, you're gonna have an incredibly inclusive experience. Now when you're ready to book this beautiful suite or any room or suite with Virgin, make sure you do it right on harrtravel.com. You can take advantage of our interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, or your group. Get it at an incredible value and have the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way.